Alright guys, today when I come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new game stick, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So it's got over 42,000 games already built in. You don't have to download anything. Supports 4K. And this is it right here. So it just plugs in with that HDMI. And as you can see, it has a micro SD card in here. It is a 256 gig. And then here's the power source, which is a Type-C. And then two controllers for it. This is the power cable for it. And then the extender in case wherever you're trying to plug in this HDMI, like if you don't have enough space for it, then you could just plug it into this extender and then it'll work right away. So I'll go ahead and actually do that. You can see we'll just plug it in here. And now it just makes it a little bit more flexible to plug it in wherever you want. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up and try it out. All right, so first all you gotta do is plug in that HDMI. And this is what it looks like once it actually loads. The retro gaming console brings back thousands of classic games. And the best part, everything's already pre-installed. I literally just plugged and played. I didn't have to do any downloads, no setup, just start playing right away. It has over 42,000 games and 50 emulators. It's got everything from sports classics to arcade legends. The dual wireless controller gives you a lag-free experience, so you don't need to worry about input delays messing up your game, whether you're competing solo or with a friend. The 32.8 foot wireless range means you can sit back and enjoy it without being tethered to the screen. Now let's take a look at how massive this game library actually is. It's got 42,000 games from retro platformers to fighting games, RPGs, and classic arcade games. There's something for everyone. With the built-in search and favorites list, finding your go-to games is easy. No endless scrolling, just type in and jump in straight to the action. And if you need a break, then pause and save feature lets you pick up right where you left off. The system is plug and play, so there's no complicated setup. Just plug it into the HDMI port like I showed earlier, switch to the right input, and then you're in. The 4K HDMI delivers sharp visuals, making these classics look better than ever on modern screens. And of course, it's perfect for fighting games too. With smooth performance and precise controllers, games like Tekken just feel as intense as they did back in the day. The wireless controls you can see are fast and responsive, letting you pull off combos without lag. Whether you're button smashing or pulling off perfect counters, the connection stays solid. This is hands down one of the best plug and play retro consoles out there for sure. Whether you're reliving childhood favorites or discovering classic games for the first time, this console delivers hours of fun and with zero hassle. So if you guys are looking for a new plug and play gaming set, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.